How to use SmartSheet. SmartSheet tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use SmartSheet project management software. So let's get started. SmartSheet is world's leading project management software with advanced tools and features that help you create your own workspace, add tasks, create boards, and more. You can manage your business and team with Smartsheet to get more productive. Simply go to smartsheet.com and you will land on this platform right here. You can try Smartsheet for free. So the sign up process is really easy. You can simply sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you sign up for Smartsheet, you will get your own dashboard like this. You can use Smartsheet for marketing, IT, operation, automation, HR, and more. So, if you are a small business looking to manage your team online with an efficient software, then you should use Smartsheet. Before we get into the features and tools of Smartsheet, let me show you the pricing plan really quickly so you will have an idea about the affordability of the platform. On Smartsheet, we have three plans: a Pro plan, Business, and Enterprise. A Pro plan is going to be $7 per user per month. You can try it out for free. And then it is going to be $21 if billed annually. Then we have a business plan, which is going to be $25 per user per month and $75 if billed annually. And then there is an enterprise where the pricing will be customized according to customized features. In the Pro plan, you're getting all of the features such as unlimited sheets, reports, and dashboards. You can check out all of the features that are listed below. Simply go to smartsheet.com/pricing and you will be able to find the right pricing plan for you. Simply select the plan that suits you and sign up for free. After the initial sign up, this is where you will get. This is my initial dashboard of Smartsheet. So let me show you around. First of all, we have a home option where I will be able to find my projects and dashboards that I have created. Then we have notification, browse, recents, favorites, work apps, and solution center. We also have our launcher right here and then of course help. So let's go ahead and create a new dashboard. When you click on create, you will be able to create sheet, form, report, dashboard, work app, and more. You can also select from different templates, such as a school sheet. So let me show you how you create a sheet. This is my smart sheet right here. Let's say that this is a school sheet. You can also change its name. Let's say worksheet or whatever name you want to give to your sheet. You can see right here we have different lists right here, and it has been divided into different sections. So to add a new list, what you can do is you simply go to file right here. In file, we can create new, import, and we can import from Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and more. Then we have an open option, save, save as, rename, refresh, share, send as an attachment, and delete. So I'm going to click on create new. When you click on create new, now I can create a new project, task list, form, card, and more. We have different options to choose from, such as clients and customers, finance, HR, IT, marketing, product development, and more. So I'm going to select form this time. When you click on form, then you will be able to create a form. Similarly, you can add a project. And then again, we can import from Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets as well. Smartsheet is a project management software, but it works as Google Sheets and our other Microsoft Excel. So you simply go to file and create new like this. Then we have automation option that allows you to do automation and in which you can create your own workflow. Then we have the form option that allows you to manage the forms that you have created in your Smartsheet. You will find the option of save right here, print, undo, redo. Then we have a card view. We can actually change the view for our Smartsheet. And we're getting a grid view, Gantt view, card, and calendar view as well. This is a card view right now. Let's go to a calendar view and it will give us a calendar view in which I will be able to find my tasks right here and I will be able to find the months. We can go with a monthly view, weekly view, or daily view as well. This is how you simply get a calendar view in SmartSheet. Similarly, I can go with a grid view as well. This is going to be a grid view. And this is for the people who love to use SmartSheet and Google Sheets. So, as I mentioned, that SmartSheet is really good because it gives you a view of card that gives you a sense that you're working on a project management software. But at the same time, you can go to a grid view and it will give you a sense that you're working on a sheets like Google Sheets and others. Of course, again, I can simply type in whatever I want to and it will add the task right here. Let's go back to card view. Then we have our filters that will allow us to filter our search. Then we have view by status. We can add different status right here for our projects. And you can give your status different colors. Each color will help you customize your Smartsheet. Then we have the share option right here that allows us to share our Smartsheet. We can add our collaborators by adding their email address right here. You can also write a helpful message for them to know that what you have shared. You can also add the permissions such as admin, editor, viewer, or commenter. So this is really good that you can give permission to certain people that they can add it or maybe you just want them to view. Then you simply click on share sheet and you will be able to share this sheet right here. Then we have our comments option where you will be able to find your conversations about sheets, row, and all. Then we have attachment. In here, you will be able to find all of the attachments that you have added in this sheet. Then we have proofs. In proofs, you can simply add your PDFs and more. Then we have brand folder, update request option, and publish option as well. We also get an activity log that helps you keep in check your activity and the activity of your team members. Then we have the summary that gives you a proper summary of the sheet that you have created. It will have all of the options for you. You can create a summary field to easily define, organize, and report on critical information in the sheet. And then, of course, we have our settings right here. You can also add different apps through our work apps right here. It allows you to integrate different apps into your Smartsheet to customize your Smartsheet experience. And this is how you will be able to use your Smartsheet like a pro and manage your everyday tasks and create professional sheets. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Smartsheet project management software. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.